Hi Homeschool Planet users. I'm going to show you today how to add an event to your Homeschool Planet calendar. I would like a little notation to remind me of my oldest son's anniversary, so I'm going to navigate to that date on the calendar. I'm going to select birthdays, which is for events. I'm going to say Chris and Ashani, and then I'm going to note the year in case I forget what year they got married. Who knows? And I don't have a category called anniversaries, but I'm going to add family events, and I'm going to color that purple and click OK and close that. I'm going to have it be marked every year on June 20th. And I think I am going to go back and tell that to start on the year they were married. I'm not going to add a time. I'm just going to hit save and close, and then their anniversary will pop up with a reminder of the year each time it rolls around. Have a terrific day.